Looking for a sleek or minimalistic watch that suits both office and casual wear? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Few days over I am not attached here during my physical health issues. Today we have a beautiful timepiece from Allen Solly watch that combines simplicity, elegance and everyday wear. You are looking for a watch that is classy and understated. Stick around because we are going to explore every little detail of this stunning watch. Whether it's worth your money, let's dive in. So, straight out of the box, the watch gives off a premium vibe. The packaging is neat, clean, and perfect. If you are thinking of gifting it to someone special, the first thing that catches the eye is in the deep blue dial. So calm, so elegant. And then the silver stainless steel strap, polished, shiny, and classy. The Allen Solly logo at the top adds the suitable brand charm without being over the top. Honestly, the watch looks more expensive than it actually is, and that's always nice a surprise. Let's talk about the build quality. The case is made of brass, which feels solid yet not heavy. At 30 mm, it's perfect size. Big enough to notice, small enough to comfortable for most wrists. The strap is stainless steel in silver and it's surprisingly comfortable. Even after wearing it for few hours, I don't feel any pinch or irritation. And the clasps, smooth and secure, nothing slides or rattles, here is included. The combination of the deep blue dial and silver strap makes this watch versatile. You can wear it to the office, or casual outing, or a semi-formal event. It just blends effortlessly. And now this watch runs by a quartz movement, which is basically means it's super accurate and or low maintenance. You do not have to worry about the winding it every day. So it's not a mechanical or automatic watch. There is no winding hesitation in your mind. In this watch, it's a plain three-hand watch showing hours, minutes and seconds. Simply clean and elegant looks provided here, and the hands stands out against the deep blue dial, making it easy to read at a glance, which is perfect for a men's wrist. So if you are looking for a watch which is simple look and elegant look, then you go for this watch. One more important point is included here. It has 30-meter water resistance provided here. So it means a flash proof and the safe for light rain or washing hands. But you don't take it the swimming and showering. Keep it dry and it will last long and look great. It's perfect watch for this price segment. And how much is this price in this watch? I bought it for only 600 rupees. And you are buying this watch, you must follow the description, or you will show on the screen the product, click on it and go for the check it out. And the price is up and down in the e-commerce, so you must check it out time to time. What I really like is how comfortable it is in my wrist. The stainless steel strap fits nicely and you can adjust it with the removable links. There are 3 removable links here included and you can adjust easily from your watch shop. And now it is lightweighted enough to wear the all day, and it is classy design means it goes well with almost any outfit. Honestly, it one of those watch that you put on and it just feels right feeling for you. I recommend you this watch is comfortable for, but this budget range is almost the best outfit in every man's wrist. Whether it is a casual lunch or a formal meeting or a weekend outing, this watch complements your styles effortlessly. I recommend you buy this watch. Let's quickly talk about what is amazing and what could be better improved here. So few more pros is included here. So basically this elegant looks and minimalistic watch design that suits almost everyone. Durable brass case is included here and comfortable stainless steel strap also provided in this watch. So the accurate time and reliable quartz movement also provided in this watch, and it comes from Allen Solly brand. So there is no more issues for this brand because it comes from the Timex brand. and also affordable yet stylish, and everyone's wrist between 6 inch to 8 inches wrist. This watch is much better comfortable. The watch weight lightweighted and comfortable for all day wear, so there is no more extra pros included here, and air is also the corns is applied. So now I see the water resistance here is provided only for 30 meter, is avoid the swimming. The plain three hands design, no extra features like a date window or chronograph. Silver strap may get minor scratches over time, but that's normal and the daily wear. Honestly, for the price, the pros far outrated for cons. So I recommend to you this watch is perfect for you, and if you are buy this watch, then go on the open link on the screen and buy it and try it once. And if you are not do not and if you don't like this watch, then return it. And now I am trying it in my wrist. So let's see. My wrist is 6.5 inch, and you see the watch is properly fitable in my wrist. And if your wrist is 6.5 or 6 above or 8 below, then it's perfect for your choice. And finally, I would like to hear from you. Do you like watches that are simple and classy look? So finally, I told you, if you want a stylish watch that is not as flashy, is easy to read and pairs with almost any outfit, this is a great piece choice. It's deal for students, office workers, or anyone who wants to dependable daily watch without spending the big buckets. If you enjoyed this review and found helpful, please like, subscribe and drop the comment below letting me know what is your you want to review next, or do you prefer a feature packed timepiece? Comment below and let me know. Until next time, stay stylish and keep ticking.